AI lovers, huge news. DeepSeek just dropped Janus Pro, and it's not just another AI model. It understands text and helps generate AI images. Wait, what is Janus Pro? DeepSeek has upgraded with Janus Pro, a model for text and image-related tasks. It comes in two versions. First, the 1 billion parameter model. It's fast and lightweight, perfect for quick tasks like translations and sentiment analysis. Second, the 7 billion parameter model, a powerful AI designed for deep reasoning and crafting high-quality prompts for AI image generation. How to use Janus Pro for AI image generation. Best part? Janus Pro is free on Hugging Face and DeepSeek's website. You can use it online, locally, or on cloud platforms. Here are two easy methods to use it. The first method, using MimicPC workflows. Here's how. First, log into MimicPC workflows. Then, search for Janus workflow and hit Operate. Now, choose your hardware settings and start. Alright, here's the simple workflow. You can pick your model here, 1 billion parameters for speed, 7 billion for high detail prompts. Let me first disconnect the image generation part for more speed. Now, just upload an image. And boom, you get a detailed prompt. You can use this prompt to create an image later. Yup, super easy. But wait, in the next part, I'll show you how to tweak that prompt for even better results. Stay tuned. Before diving into the formula, here's the second method. Quick, easy, and free. First, go to Janus Pro website. Then, upload an image, and Janus will break it down into a super detailed description. Here is key settings to play with. Seed. This keeps results consistent, like locking in a fixed starting point for the AI. Temperature. A lower value makes responses more precise and controlled. A higher value makes them more creative and unpredictable. Top P. This adjusts diversity. A higher value allows for more variation and randomness, while a lower value keeps responses more focused and structured. The secret formula for perfect prompts. If you've tried using the raw description from DeepSeek, you already know. It's not always perfect. But don't worry, I've got a formula that works 90% of the time based on my tests. In the first step, decide on your style. Then, add the main subject you have in mind. Next, choose the lighting. This adds depth and emotion. After that, include small details that make the scene feel alive. Finally, define how the viewer should feel. For example, I want a cyberpunk style of a lone warrior standing in an alley. I also add mist and deep shadows for the lighting effect to make it feel intense and cinematic. With this, you can write your own prompt from scratch, or take the description from Janus Pro, tweak it into this format, and trust me, you'll see the difference. Let me test it with Janus Pro. You can adjust the ratio and even modify the steps as needed. Simply paste the prompt here and click Generate. You can further enhance it if you want. It's super easy. You can easily tell DeepSeek to write a prompt in that structure. Even though Janus Pro doesn't create images professionally, its prompt game is strong. Now it's your turn. Try it out and let me know. Did this method work for you? Got any cool tricks to share? Thanks for watching. In my next video, I'll show you how to create the perfect Flux prompt. You don't want to miss it. Love you all. See you in the next video.